Hello everyone and welcome to day 3 of the launch week of MakeForms. I am Prateek, founder of MakeForms, and today we are going to see an amazing feature that's just going to help you create multilingual forms. So you already know that MakeForms has this feature where you can create one form in multiple languages. But the problem with that is that you actually need to write the string translation for each and every text. So we just did launch this amazing feature called Auto Translate. So all you have to do is you have to turn on the language of your choice. You will go on to the edit, okay, and here you will see a button that says Auto Translate. So I'll just click this. The moment you do that, it's going to take a couple of seconds or a minute depending on how big your form is, and here you can see that it has translated each and every string for us. So like, you don't even have to go through each and every what do you say field and think of the translation. The AI does it for you, and then all you have to do is verify it and just go ahead and publish. So this is the amazing feature that we just launched. So go to MakeForms today and try it out for yourself. Thank you everyone.